going on, guys? It is Mitch from LT Adventures back for another video. As you guys can see behind me, I have the Maverick and the Skiff. This is going to be a quick how-to video of how you guys can tow with the XL if you don't get the tow package. Check it out. As you guys can see, all of the lights on the trailer work, all the lights on the Maverick work, everything is running smoothly, and that is thanks to this product right here. This is the Tekonsha trailer wiring kit. This is specifically for the new Maverick, so everything is kind of a plug-and-play setup. And in a second here, I'm going to take the truck out front, climb under it, and show you guys exactly how we hooked it up and really how easy it is to set up. I'm also going to put a link in the description to show you guys where you can get it from. Guys, do yourself a favor and read the instructions that comes with this. They are actually incredibly helpful, and they're in like 10 different languages, so you'll learn how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the rear and work my way forward. So as you can see, we have our custom trailer receiver, hitch, and our wiring harness from eTrailer.com. This is a 4-plug connector, which is kind of the universal kind. So as you climb underneath, we have the wiring that comes through the trailer receiver. We have looks like a ground. We have a ground here. We have the main 4 connectors, zip tied, running up and around. And this is my dad did this part. We have this, of course, and like there are tons of areas where you can mount all of this. Like I said, really easy, but everything has either been zip tied or just screwed in. There is no cutting or splicing or welding of any sort. So the wires, again, run up and around, and then we're going up, going underneath over here. 2 seconds. And the wire returns. We zip tied it here on the outside. This was the difficult part. So right up here, we had to use we used a long, thin metal wire and had to connect and run it up this kind of near this fender, and I'll show you guys where it pops up top. Of course it's raining as I'm doing this, but so what's great about this is it connects directly to the battery, which makes it really nice and reliable. So we have the wire threaded through coming up and then connected to our battery, and that's how it is powered. You don't have to worry about anything else. It's direct, and it's really safe and convenient. Now, whether you choose to spend the money on the aftermarket receiver and hitch and all that, I think it's kind of outrageously priced. That's just my opinion on that. But yeah, this was I think 120 bucks on eTrailer.com, and it's going to get you guys set up to tow basically anything under around 2,000 pounds or so. Like, I have no issue towing my boat. Now that you guys know how to wire your Maverick XL, you're ready to hop in and go for an adventure. Let's go. If you guys found this video helpful and or entertaining at all, go ahead and make sure you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Go ahead and click up here, up there you go, if you want to see my most recent adventure with the Maverick. It was a lot of fun. Guys, we have so much fun on this channel, just making the most out of our days off and living life. That being said, I'm Mitch, and don't forget to live for today. We'll see you guys next time.